turned 29 this year, but I'm always told that I look so much younger. Well, that's because I take really good care of my skin. I started investing in anti-aging products around 3 years ago. I started using them ever since, and my skin has been thanking me for it. I have seen such a visible difference on my skin, such wonderful results on my skin after using anti-aging products, and that's the reason why my skin doesn't age so fast. But even while I was using these products, my face would always keep looking very tired, and that's when I noticed that it was the dark circles. I was using so much for my skin, so many products for my skin, but nothing for my under eye region, and that's why the dark circles had become very prominent. And sometimes I would also have these puffy eyes, under eye bags and everything. And before I started getting wrinkles and fine lines under my eyes, I thought it was high time to start investing in under eye creams. So I tried many under eye creams from the market, but none of them really did so much for my under eye region. I felt like even though I was using these creams consistently and regularly, when I would wake up in the morning, my under eyes would still look very dull. The dark circles were also so prominent, and I didn't really see much of a difference even after using so many under eye creams from the market. So I just had to keep switching products, trying on new products until I found that one product that worked for me, and I have finally found that one product, the Equal Under Eye Cream that saved my day. I've been using this one for around 4 to 5 months now, and it has exceeded all of my expectations. I feel like this has been working really well on the appearance of my dark circles. My dark circles don't look as prominent as they used to. Moreover, I never experience puffiness under my eyes anymore ever since I started using this product. And wrinkles or fine lines भी मुझे अभी तक appear नहीं हुए under my eyes because of this. So it's been working amazingly well. It's doing all the jobs that an under eye cream is supposed to do, and I have been seeing really good results ever since I started using this product. It's enriched with sodium hyaluronate, which helps to moisten your under eye region and soothes it. It's got diacetyl acid, which helps to reduce any dark circles that you have. It helps to prevent brownness under your eyes because it's enriched with antioxidants. It's also got vitamin C, which helps to boost collagen production, thereby reducing and preventing the signs of aging. And it's also got vitamin E, which helps to nourish your under eye region and moisturize it. So overall, all the ingredients work really well in improving any inflammation under your eyes, in improving blood circulation, and also in brightening up your under eye region. Now this under eye cream is very easy to use. I use it twice a day, in my morning as well as in my night skincare regime, on a clean face.
I take a small amount of the cream and apply it on my under eye region, and I make sure to cover the inner corners as well as the outer corners, and I gently massage the cream for a few seconds in upward directions to improve blood circulation.
The first thing that I noticed when I applied the cream was how lightweight and smooth it felt on my skin. It absorbed quickly and didn't feel greasy or heavy at all. And after a few uses, I noticed a significant difference in the appearance of my under eye region. I felt like my dark circles had become much more lighter. My skin felt so much more firmer, and I did not see any fine lines or wrinkles. And the best part about this is that it's suitable for all skin types and all ages. Whether you're a young person who's struggling with dark circles because of lack of sleep, or whether you're a mature woman who has the problem of fine lines and wrinkles, you can use this product and it's gonna make a visible difference after consistently using it. Moreover, the best part about this is that it's non-comedogenic, which means that even if you apply it under your eyes, it's not gonna cause any breakouts, it's not gonna cause any acne or pimples, which is a major problem that I used to face with most of the other under eye creams. Whenever I would apply it over here, I would start noticing small boils coming up next to my under eye region. But ever since I started using this, I don't face that problem anymore. So if you're looking for a solution for your under eye concerns, I highly recommend you try out this Youthful Under Eye Cream. Your under eye area is going to thank you for it. Overall, I'm super impressed with this Youthful Under Eye Cream. It's such a game changer, and it's a permanent addition in my skincare vanity. I have been using this for over 4 to 5 months, and I'm sure to be using this a lot. I think this is going to be my only under eye cream that I'll be using for a really long time. So if you're struggling with dark circles or puffiness under your eyes, or even fine lines and wrinkles, I recommend you give this product a shot. You will not regret it. So that was my video on the under eye cream that I used at the age of 29 and how it's been working out for me. You can purchase this Requel under eye cream from the links mentioned in the description box below. If you try out this under eye cream consistently for at least 2 months, only then let me know your experience in the comment section below. So yeah, that was my video for today. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button.